Hi and welcome back to my channel. I'm Jenny and today I've got a package that I just received in the mail. This one is from Shop NBM. Shop NBM is a woman-owned business. She's based out of New York. The website is shopnbm.com. You can find her on Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest. Beautiful nails begin with healthy nails. She included a little card that says, "Congrats, Jenny," and it's because this is prize mail that I won on her giveaway. She actually has a Facebook group, which I'll also have linked in the description box below, and I invite you guys to join. Use Cuticle Buddy for 30 days straight and show us your progress by tagging hashtag Cuticle Buddy 30-day challenge. It only takes 21 days to build a habit. Cross off each day as you go. This is a really fun way to remind yourself to apply cuticle oil every day. Look how pretty it says Cuticle Buddy in the front. And then here it also says NBM, made in Brooklyn, New York. Very good quality. Here she has her Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest and her website again. To open it, you lift the front and it's magnetic. That's really nice. And this is the beautiful kit. Dry nails? Forget about it. Every time I see it, I have to pronounce it that way. Wow, and it already smells so good. I can already smell it here. This is a little tool that she includes to open up your Cuticle Buddy whenever you need to refill it. It also comes with a little mini nail file in the color of your kit. Wow, that is so cute. Let's take it out. It has a little chain so you can attach it to your purse and always have one with you whenever you need it. And it's a glass file. That is really nice. I love it. And here we have the actual Cuticle Buddy. Look how beautiful everything, every little detail. The idea is that you always have your Cuticle Buddy with you wherever you go. So you can attach it to your purse or your pocket or whatever, wherever you go, you can have it with you and always apply cuticle oil to keep your nails healthy. The scent that I got is lavender and rosemary and it smells so good. I love the detail of her packaging, the little wooden lid. Wow, it smells amazing. And the dispenser is a roller ball. I've never used one of these. You just roll on the cuticle oil. Wow. It feels really nice. Look at the little detail that the little roller ball, instead of just being a plain metal, it's a little stone. It looks like a amethyst stone. That's really nice. Telling you the details. It's all about the details. Smells amazing. After applying the oil, I like to gently massage it around my nail. And if you know me, you know that I really enjoy applying cuticle oil. It's one of the things I enjoy the most about doing my nails. And during the day, I spend a lot of time applying cuticle oil. And this one is perfect because you can take it with you. I really love that little silicone holder. It's the Cuticle Buddy and it just makes it even more convenient. Look at that. Okay, the oil feels really good. It's not greasy. It just feels kind of thick and like you can tell it's really good quality. It feels really, really nice on my skin. And look how beautiful my skin looks after applying it. Nice and healthy and nourished. Thank you so much for this beautiful prize, Nails by Meech. I really love it. And the last thing included is the refill bottle. This one, like I said, is the lavender and rosemary and it's 1 ounce. And the formula is restoring. Look at how beautiful her packaging is. I love it. The combination of the black with the wood looks amazing. This is a glass bottle and it comes with a dropper. And when I run out, I can just go ahead and use this to refill it. And to open up the little roller ball here, the lid, this is the tool that you use. This right here. I've seen people use it here. I'm gonna do a demonstration, I guess, when the time comes for me to refill it. For right now, I'm not gonna open it, but I guess you just slide this in here and just twist and lift it up. That's all I have for you guys today. I want to send a big thank you once again to Michelle from Nails by Meech for this beautiful package. Every little detail is perfect. I'm gonna leave links to her shop and to her Instagram and Facebook in the description box of this video so you guys can follow her and check out the beautiful products that she sells. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!